Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessica and today I'm going to give you some easy tips that you can incorporate into your everyday life to be healthier. So before we get started, if you haven't already, be sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification if you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any videos. All right, let's get started. So I'm actually making my lunch right now, which is one of my favorite tips, and that is to eat whole foods. Cut down, I'm not saying eliminate completely, but really try and cut down on the amount of processed foods you eat. That includes protein powder, and I love making a smoothie bowl. Most mornings I make one. I love RX bars, I love popcorn, like I love snacks, but if you can't, you gotta really try to incorporate as many whole foods into your diet as possible. So for lunch today, I'm having some roasted cauliflower, some chicken from the night before, and some sweet potatoes. So you can eat whatever you like, eat foods that you enjoy. Just make sure that you're getting a lot of whole foods in your diet because they're nutrient dense. They're not processed, they're not touched in any way, they're not altered. So you're getting the most nutrients, the best bang for your buck. Usually it's pretty low in fat, pretty high in protein, and the carbs that you're getting, as long as you're eating the right carbs. So I'm talking about leafy greens, I'm talking about sweet potatoes, I'm talking about quinoa if you like it, even a little bit of brown rice. Those kind of carbs are good carbs and they will help keep you satisfied and full a lot longer. I feel like I've RX bar in my teeth. I'm waiting for my Orange Theory class to start, and that's my next tip for you guys. Get moving. Yes, you. Exercise. It is not everything. I would say diet is more important than exercise, but for your mind, your body, just your overall well-being, you need to get your body moving. Now, I go to Orange, you guys know I go to Orange Theory, you know how much I love it, but 5 out of the 6 days that I work out in a week, I'm at home working out. So I'll link a bunch of my home workout videos for you guys. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time working out. You don't have to pay a lot of money for a gym or a studio like this or for a lot of equipment. Most days I use only my dumbbells and my yoga mat. That's it. And I can do a whole video on like essential home gym equipment if you guys want. But you have to get your body moving. If you want to be healthier, I'm not just talking aesthetically, but if you want overall health, physical health, and mental health, you need to exercise. Don't tie yourself down to something that you don't enjoy. There's so many different outlets. You can even make sure that you're just going on a walk for 30 minutes every day. Run around at the park with your kids. Go try a Pilates class if you've never have before. Try out one of my workouts, or I'll put some of my other favorite YouTubers down below as well. But get your body moving. You gotta. I just left Orange Theory and I'm actually about to pop into Trader Joe's, but I wanted to hit on something that I didn't talk about before I went in for my workout, but that is like the power of a good workout for your endorphins and your emotional state. I had kind of a weird day yesterday, a little bit of a hard day emotionally, and just to let it all go on the treadmill and just let it all go in the class and just sweat out a lot of that is very cathartic. And you don't have to be in a class to do that. You can go for a walk outside, you can do a workout in your house, but just sometimes letting those endorphins kick in can really get you in a much better headspace emotionally. So I'm gonna head into Trader Joe's. Remember, shop the perimeter of the grocery store as much as you can. That's another big tip of mine. Buy all or mostly all fresh ingredients, whole foods. Try it and minimize or really keep to a minimum the amount of prepared or processed foods that you buy. Another tip that I have for you is to set yourself up for success. So prep food the night before, or on Sunday do meal prep. There's tons of meal prepping videos or tips. What I do is I'll just cut up vegetables. So I'll slice red peppers, that way they're already in my fridge, and cucumbers, and I'll prepare like 1 or 2 fresh salads that have, just tons of vegetables in them. That way when I'm hungry, I have easy, healthy choices to go to, and I'm not going right into my pantry for something processed. So set yourself up for success, prep some food. You don't have to take a lot of time. I do not do a huge meal prep. I do it a couple times a week, but I always make sure that I have tons of veggies already cooked or raw that are just cut up and ready for like hummus or just to snack on their own. Hard-boiled eggs is another one. I got a meal prep video. Go watch it. because I didn't work out this morning. So I think when Henry's napping, I'm gonna do a shoulder and ab workout, and I will film it so you guys can do it if you need a quick little workout too. That was tougher than I thought it was gonna be. The whole workout will be in the description box below, but every round, every circuit, I did 3 rounds, 10 reps of each move. So yeah, let me know if you guys liked it. I'm glad. It just goes to show you, you never regret a workout, even if you don't feel like working out. Get your body moving, get the blood flowing, sweat a little bit, and then it'll be over. Now, the next tip I have for you, which again is just, I talked about this in my intermittent fasting video, but I wanted to touch on it again, and that is the power of water. You've got to drink a lot of water. Most of us don't drink enough. Try to only drink water, tea, coffee. Those are the only 3 things that I drink, other than like the occasional kombucha and obviously some wine. But you want to make sure, cut down on the sodas, cut out soda if you can. I'm telling you, you will notice such a change. I was a huge Diet Coke addict for a very long time. I promise you it's worth the change. Now I can't even taste a Diet Coke. It's like way too sweet for me. Fruit juice is another one that I would really avoid if you can. Even like smoothie places where they have the fresh pressed juices, occasionally those are great, but most of them are loaded with sugar. So you want to make sure that you're doing ones that are mostly green, that maybe just sweeten with a little bit of apple or orange or pineapple. But the only juices that I ever buy, the cold pressed juices, are green and fresh. So I don't buy any of the ones that you can buy at the grocery store. They're mostly just sugar. If you look at the nutritional facts on the back, you'll be like, oh. Hold on. You guys caught me. That's my last tip. Treat yourself. Splurge. I know this is gonna sound super cliche, but this is not a diet. This is a lifestyle change. So you're just incorporating health, fitness, healthy eating, cleaner eating into your lifestyle. This is not a diet. This is not a short term, I'm gonna starve myself for 3 months to fit into a bikini, and that's the end of it, and then I'm just gonna go back to the same old eating patterns. So it's okay to enjoy some food. I love my dairy-free Halo Top. It's okay to go out for pizza one night with your girlfriends or have a glass or 2 of wine. Treat yourself, hold yourself accountable, know when you've splurged too much, know when you need a break, and just live your life and enjoy living a healthy life. So I think that's all for today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, be sure that you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead. What is a thumbs up? Give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.